If you are looking to build LLM based AI applications, then you might have come across these two options. Either you could use LlamaIndex these days or you could use Langchain. So how do you decide which one is better and which one should you use? In this video, I'll try to explain the difference between Langchain and LlamaIndex in very simple words. Langchain is more general purpose framework that can be used to build a numerous and myriad variety of applications, and it is not just confined to large language models. Langchain provides you tools for loading, processing and indexing data as well as for interacting with LLMs. Langchain is more flexible than LlamaIndex and it enables users to customize the behavior of their applications depending upon their destination dataset. Whereas LlamaIndex is also good, but it is specifically designed for building search and retrieval applications. So it is not as general purpose as LangChain. LlamaIndex provides a simple interface for querying LLMs and retrieving relevant documents. LlamaIndex is also more efficient than LangChain, making it a better choice for applications that need to process large amounts of data. If you're building a general purpose application based on the large language models, but you also want that application to be flexible and extensible and you want a lot of integration with other software, then I would say LangChain is a good choice. But if you are developing a search and retrieval application that needs to be efficient and simple and it is focused on a special set of tasks, then I would say Llama Index is a better choice. If you're already using either one of them, then please share your experience and what do you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.